Hello student, here we have been given a question that a thin convex lens is made of two material with refractive indices n1 and n2 as shown in figure, and the radius of curvature of left and right spherical surfaces are equal. F is the focal length of the lens when n1 equals to n2 equals to n. The focal length is f plus delta f when n1 equals to n and n2 equals to n plus delta n. So assuming that delta n very less than n minus 1 and n the refractive index is lies between 1 and 2, then we have to choose the correct alternatives. So student, here we have been given a question. So first of all, since for n1 equals to n1 equals to n and r1 equals to r2, because the left side and right side radius is same, so by lens maker's formula we can say that 1 upon f will be n minus 1 times 2 by r, that we can say that, and let we call it our first equation. Now let's see, we have n1 as far as our question, as we can see, so n1 equals to n and n2 equals to n plus delta n. Okay, so our focal length will be f plus delta f. So what we are going to do, first we will write down the formula for this delta f. So 1 over delta f, that we can simply say that n plus delta n minus 1, I am write down only for this one side of the equation, so this will be only 1 over r. Okay, now now we know that we have this our new focal length, which is f plus delta f. So what we are going to do for the one face, okay, here we are going to write down only for this one face, for one side only we will write down our equation. So for one side what happened, it will be n minus 1 upon r plus n plus delta n minus 1 upon r. Okay, so if we simplified it, so we will get one this kind of answer, 2n plus delta n minus 2 over r. Let me call this equation number 2. Now we have this equation 1 and 2, so what we are going to do, take a ratio, take 1 divide by 2. So as we take 1 divide by 2, so we know that this over f plus delta f goes to numerator and this f comes to denominator. Similarly, now if we just simplified it, n minus 1 times 2 by r in denominator, 2n plus delta n minus 2 by r, and as you can see this rr gets cancelled, so 2 times n minus 1 over 2n plus delta n minus 2. So this we got. Now if we just make little bit more simplification, so this will be 1 plus delta f over f, this will be 2 times n minus 1 over 2n plus delta n minus 2. Now we need this delta f by f, so this 1 will goes to on the other side, so we will take this one on the opposite side, so it will be a subtraction. Okay, so 2n plus delta n minus 2 minus 1, so we will get minus delta n. Yes, if we just simplified it, minus delta n over 2n plus delta n minus 2. Now we need this delta f. Okay, so let's substitute all the values. So delta f by 20 is equals to delta n, so that will be 10 to the power minus 3, of course with negative sign, but we are neglecting because we need only the magnitude, so we are not worry about the negative sign. So minus 2. Okay, so from this our delta f, if we obtain, so that will be 2 into 10 to the power minus 2, or I can say that 0.02 centimeter. Of course we will take this magnitude. Okay, so this is our answer. Okay, hope you all just got the understand. Thank you.